We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a 50-gallon natural gas water heater by Bradford White. This is your model number, serial number right there. You can go to bradfordwhite.com and hit the register button. Give them the serial number and all your contact information. Get your warranty going on. That is 1 year labor and 6-year parts. So the burner's lit right now and the water's heating. Should be a couple hours, and then you'll have hot water. Starting at the very top, that adjustable fitting at the very top, kind of at an angle. That's a dual wall adjustable 45. That's yours. And then from there, it's all brand new pipe. Little piece up top, 30-incher here, down to another. This is an adjustable 90, down to the draft diverter. So that's all brand new pipe up to your point of connection. Over here, you got 1-inch lines stubbed out. They did have these adapters already soldered on, which was good. So this is kind of pointing right at the vent pipe. So what we did is just took a brass 90 and then a little brass piece of pipe here. And then Falcon stainless steel connectors. These are full 3/4 inch inside diameter down to some brass extensions. So brass, stainless steel, copper, all flow great. Galvanized pipe, not so much. This is the 1-inch valve, which is in place. It's a ball valve and it's 1 inch. We did not replace that. They're perfect. Same thing you've got over on your life source water system, 1/4 turn ball valve. So that's in good shape. Everything was already here, so we didn't touch anything. We did give you a new Falcon stainless steel connector on the cold side as well, down to a brass extension, so that's good. Relief valve comes with the unit. It's temperature and pressure relief. If something is going on with the unit, this will pop off and it will drain out this line, which goes down the wall and terminates in the backyard. Upper third, we gave you a set of new adjustable straps. Lower third, we gave you some adjustable straps. And then the gas, we moved it over just a little bit because the line was pointing straight out. It looks like it probably would have fit the way it was, the valve pointing straight out. We didn't know until we got this in place and slid it over. So anyways, no big deal. Brand new gas valve. We gave you a brand new gas connector over to the controller. This right now is set at hot, which is approximately 120 degrees, and A is going to be about 130, B 140, C 150, very hot 160. EPA recommends 120, CDC recommends 140. But you can see right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. So keep that in mind. You can turn it up to here and you'll get a greater amount of water out. Even though it only holds 50 gallons, you'll get what feels like 65 gallons out of this thing because you're using hotter water and then tempering with cold water in the home. So, but we set it here for liability purposes. We don't want to scald anybody. Feel free to do what you'd like in here. We do this for documentation. So anyways, a couple hours, you'll have hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.